Hello and welcome back to TFB. We have one more box today to unbox. Your response, your comments to the previous unboxing video of the Hot Wheels e-case was really good. Today we don't have Hot Wheels though, we have something new and something that I think a lot of you have been waiting for. This is going to be a mix, but some of the cars are really amazing because I sort of know what's inside. Confetti! Not really. There are some really nice cars though. So let's see. Which ones are we beginning with? This is the Nissan GTR, the Nismo, the CRS edition, and this one is in a dark metal gray. CRS essentially means Club Race Spec. So that is Nissan Omori factory taking orders for a factory tuned, very close to race spec kind of a car that you could drive on the road, but mainly for the racetrack. So it wasn't as wild as, say, a standard GT3 car or a GT500 car, but all those learnings from there came into this car, and you could only have it against order. Of course, limited factory numbers, but what that essentially meant is the Nismo factory was playing the tuner house for you. So that was absolutely cool, which is why Nismo R35 CRS version in dark metal gray. We will do an unboxing of this in another video. Next up, we have a Subaru Impreza in a color that we don't usually see. This is going to be a red and blue. The Impreza WRC 97, that's the chassis number. So 97 is when all those rule changes came for the WRC era, where wider track was allowed, where they relaxed some of the rules in terms of homologation. And that is where brands could take full advantage of their tuning potential. So Subaru essentially tied up with ProDrive from UK to develop this car, the chassis. And this is a standout color because Norris Bank, the red and blue combo, or the orangish red and blue combo, is something that we don't see often. So it's not so much for the record books, but there are some rich stories with it. And we will do a separate unboxing of this as well. And then we have a Lancia Delta, again in colors that we don't usually see. The Martini paint job is what we saw with this Mini GT. This one, however, is the new Repsol paint job. This is something that a lot of you have been waiting for, especially rally aficionados. Check out those colors. That Repsol logo on a white livery just stands out so nicely. I am very interested in opening this up. Absolutely love the stance that I see already on the box and really want to see it in the factory colors. So let's see what it's all about in a separate unboxing video. But this is the Lancia Delta HF Integrale, and it also has the HF logo with that little jumping elephant on the side. Super stuff. Do you have the Martini livery Mini GT Lancia Deltas in your collection? Let me know in the comments. And then we have this. This is the Murcielago. Just a few weeks back, we saw this in a black, and I even said the yellow is something that I'm looking forward to. And it's already here, dropping real soon. And that's the Murcielago. I think a lot of you have already pre-ordered this, and this one is going to look beautiful. The black one was such a good looker, but the yellow one is definitely going to stand out. Liberty Walk, or rather LB Silhouette Works Murcielago GT Evo from Mini GT. And if you haven't watched my reel on that, definitely check it out on my Instagram. Please subscribe to my Instagram or follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. We also have a blister pack, and that one is this, another 007 edition Lotus Esprit. And I have the Japanese card, if I'm not wrong. This looks Japanese to me. It could be Japanese or Chinese, but you get two skis on top, a nice orange color. We saw the white one previously, and this is the orange one. So another nice addition to the James Bond collection from Mini GT. So 5 new cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's the Lancia Delta, the Subaru Impreza, the Liberty Walk Murcielago, and the GTR, and of course the Lotus Esprit. Which one of these drops is going to be your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this one. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, and don't forget to follow.